hip hop.
We gotta walk on track, time is checked, your mind is hacked by the system. They keep the paper stacked on every word you say, but they never listen. Cause when you least expect it, a moment you are wrecked, it's in your face they're hitting. And I used to see all, hear all, and say nothing, but those days are gone. A scarred face-to-face reality, but now my insane brain mentality is on. With every slap I take, I turn the other cheek. It's our time to speak. Words were locked up in my head. Knock, knock, who's there? Well, I'll be right, sister. Don't let your thoughts get bad, bad, bad. I know your victim, it's so sad, sad, sad. We are crawling, but we will come back stronger than ever, stronger than ever. Cause if we put our hands together for a world so much better, if we put our hearts together, I know it will be better.